Good evening, everyone. Today, I am going to present my tech talk subject physics, and the topic is quantum communication for wireless wide area networks. We go in detail about the topic. Quantum wireless communication for wireless wide area networks. Wireless communication using wireless area networking keywords, human area network, red tacton, Bluetooth, intra-body tacton, infrared, electro-optic center, laser. The major problem in today's communication systems such as Bluetooth and world is communication. Even though the wireless local area networks through is reduced, digital communication has evolved. It is by packet collisions. In crowded spaces such as still not efficient for all the people to meetings rooms and auditoriums filled with access and also the infrared people. Communication is not secure communication, has some serious because signals can be intercepted. The ultimate disadvantages to overcome is a newer human area network solution. To all these constraints, communication method which uses of conventional technologies is interpret conduction property of human body to communication in which the human body transmits signals called as vector tone. It serves as the transmission medium. In everyday proposed in this paper, rectactone is services if we could use the human body itself as a new human area networking transmission medium, then it would be an ideal technology that uses the surface of the way of implementing human area networks, human body as a safe, high speed because it would solve at a stroke all the network transmission path, rectactone problems, throughput, reduction, low security, and uses the very weak electric field, transmitted high network setup cost on the surface of the human body. A transmission path is formed rectactone automatically by body contact, and this rectactone initiates the communication between action with the touch that could result in a wide electronic devices. Range of actions and response. So NTT combined touch and action to coin the term tacton, and then introduction added the word red, a warm color to today people can emphasize warm and cordial communications. Communicate anytime, anywhere, and with creating the name Red Tacton. Red Tacton operates anyone over a cellular phone network on the idea that optical properties of an electro-optic. Moreover, the internet lets people crystals can vary according to the changes of a person, download immense quantities of data from own electric field. After contact with another remotely located servers to their home red tacton enabled device, The transmitter, one wears computers essentially these two this an electric field on the body. Next, the technologies enable communication transceiver on the device detects changes in the between terminals located at a distance where electric field which was caused by the form each other. Short range wireless device. The devices then communicate and send. The propagation inside the human is nothing but the propagation inside the human of that of nerve impulse. Neurons send body messages electrochemically. This means that chemicals is called as ions cause an electrical impulse. Neurons and muscle cells are electrically excitable cells, which means that they can transmit electrical nerve impulses. These impulses are due to events in the cell membrane. In nerve and muscle cell, the membranes are electrically excitable, which means they can change their membrane potential, and this is the basis of the nerve impulse. The sodium and the potassium channels, these cells are voltage gated, which means that they can open and close depending on the voltage across the membrane. The normal membrane potential inside the axon of nerve cells is 70 megaohms. And since this potential can change in nerve cells, it is called the resting vibration. This is the another communication. Pacinian corpuscles are also located in joints and tendons and in tissue that lines organs and blood vessels. Pressure on the skin change the shape of the Pacinian corpuscle. This changes the shape of the pressure sensitive sodium. Channels in the membrane making them open. Sodium ions diffuse in through the channels leading to depolarization called a generator potential. The greater the pressure, the more the sodium channels open, the larger the generator potential. If a threshold value is reached, threshold value means the maximum value is reached, an action potential occurs, and now impulses travel along the potential. When the stimulus is applied, a brief sensory neuron, the frequency of the reversal of the membrane potential lasting impulse is related to the intensity of the about a millisecond occurs. This brief stimulus, once the potential is created, current reversal is called the action potential. The two-way communication. The receiver consists of an electro-optic sensor and a detector circuit that amplifies the minute incoming signal from the electro-optic sensor and it converts it to electrical signal. We quantitatively measure the bit errors rates of signals sent through the body. Besides communication between two hands, we also demonstrated reliable communication between a foot and a finger and between other locations on the person's body. We also verified that good communication was achieved not only when the electrodes were in direct contact with the person's application, like skin, but also when the signals pass it through clothing and shoes. Information recorded in the rectacton device is sent to the touch objects. This is the two-way communication. These are the wireless communication networks, quantum wireless communication networks. So, thank you everyone.